Hi cruisers, let's check out the fun Norwegian Bliss Casino on Deck 7 Mid. Keep watching to learn a couple of little known facts. The casino has table games such as roulette, blackjack, baccarat, let it ride, 3-card poker, pai poker, 3-card poker, Texas Hold'em, Ultimate Texas Hold'em, and my favorite, craps. Of course, the casino has rows and rows of slot machines. And there are a handful of video poker machines too. The first little known fact is that near the Skyline bar is a small self-serve snack bar. And second little known fact is that the minimum gambling age is 18.